Alright guys, this is all you're gonna need to naturally and properly clean your car's interior. So this will actually clean the dirt and everything out of surfaces and not rub and mask stuff into it like all the shiny products you see at the store. So what you're gonna need is you'll need a spray bottle like such. You're gonna need a distilled white vinegar, 5% acidity, and you're gonna need a unscented hand soap. You're gonna need a ammonia-free glass cleaner, and you're gonna need a natural leather conditioner. I recommend this one because it did the job beautifully. I clean all our furniture inside the house with it, as well as the leather inside the car. Very, very awesome product this one is. I'll link this one in the description. This one is a must. Everything else you'll of course find it at your grocery store. So you will put 1 ounce of the white vinegar in the spray bottle. You will do 1 pump of hand soap in there, and then you fill it with warm water to the rest of the bottle. And this will do magic, trust me. Just look at how awesome this leather conditioner works. Wow, it makes it so shiny, and it's not greasy shiny like the other products. Look at this. That looks awesome. That looks brand new. All right, guys. So this is precisely the results you can get using all natural products I just showed you. Not even products, but the homemade interior cleaning kit. You can make it yourself for like 25 cents. Besides the leather conditioner, of course. I think leather conditioner is like 20 bucks on Amazon, which will be linked in the description, like I said. But in my case, leather conditioner is a must because look how much leather I have to deal with. But this is precisely the results you can get. So look how clean this leather is, yet it is not greasy. This is what I really like, that it doesn't make it look greasy like all the products you can get online. Look at this. Beautiful. It is shiny, but not greasy. And this is what I like. And this is not even 100% dry. So it's still got a little bit shine on it because I just applied the conditioner. So in 24 hours, it'll dry even more and it'll look fantastic. Let me see if I can get in the back, because these seats are practically brand new in the back. So I just conditioned all of them, and the solution that I use, it gets the dirt out of stuff. It doesn't rub stuff into, it gets it nice and clean. It actually cleans and not just masks the dirt and stuff. Let me show you the passenger side, and you'll see it for yourself. The car outside is super dirty, but here's the passenger door, just from homemade materials. Missed a little spot right there. Yeah, but look. And this is, again, this is no brush. I just use the microfiber cloth, and I think it turned out beautifully. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up right here. Hopefully you liked this video. As usual, like it and subscribe to the channel. Till the next one, peace.